That breaking news, Jackson County legislator Manny Abarca is making his first court appearance after facing charges on both sides of the state line.
Abarca pled not guilty to domestic battery in a Johnson County court. KMBC 9's Krista Tatchell is live tonight with his next steps. Krista.
Yeah, Bria, he appeared in court with his two attorneys who came in holding a Billy Graham devotional, and he did plead not guilty to that one count of domestic battery. His parents were there as well as some relatives. Now, he still is facing one charge in Jackson County, and that's for violating a protection order that was filed by his wife, Alexis Garcia, last Friday. Have you seen the kids at all, Manny?
Unfortunately not.
According to Johnson County court documents last Thursday, an alleged incident of domestic violence occurred between Abarca and Garcia. The next day, Abarca is served with a protection order from Jackson County. That weekend, Garcia posts on Facebook she hasn't seen her son in over 3 days, and she files a missing persons report with Shawnee Police. Just hours after that, Abarca released a statement saying the missing persons report was filed in error. Yesterday, Abarca was arrested and charged in Johnson County, Kansas with one count of domestic battery, for which, as we have said, he made the appearance today and pleaded not guilty. He posted a $1,500 bond, and today Abarca didn't comment, but his attorneys did. They say Abarca is the one who feared for the safety of his children, and he's looking forward to telling his side of the story in court.
There was an incident in which his wife attempted to take the child under circumstances that he thought were dangerous. And we are going to show all of that in court, and we want for everybody to give these people some peace, some privacy, and let the courts resolve all the situations.
Abarca's next hearing here in Johnson County will be via Zoom in July. And now we spoke with his attorney, and they also said that this couple may be heading toward divorce proceedings. They've been married about 3.5 years at this time. We reached out to Abarca's wife for comment and have not heard back yet. But Manny Abarca did say as he was walking away from the meeting, he said something about seeing you at the meeting on Monday. He's referring to the Jackson County Legislature's budget meeting that will take place on Monday, and he intends to be there. We're live in Olathe at the Johnson County Courthouse. Krista Tatchell, KMBC 9 News.
All right, Krista, thank you. Abarca represents Jackson County's 1st District. He took office in 2022 after beating Christina McDonough Hunt for the 1st District seat. Before that, he served as a treasurer of the Kansas City Public School Board. He also served Congressman Emanuel Cleaver as his deputy district director. Right now, he serves as the chair for the Health and Environment Committee. He also sits on the Anti-Crime Committee and the Housing and Homelessness Committee.